Hello, welcome back to another video. Yula here. In this video, I want to share a trade that I took on EURUSD. I will share all the information, what time I will look at the market, and how I analyze the trade before it happened. Also show you that how to look at the market differently. I think most of the trader at the beginning always heard people say that you need to look at the market differently. Then we might confuse that how to look at the market different, because the chart it appear the same to everyone, but what do you mean by different? Most of us will look at support, resistance, trend line, all these. Let's say if it happened at the support, that means buy. Then when you look at the resistance, that means sell, or maybe your stop loss just put 2 pips below the support or 2 pips above the resistance. So in this video, definitely you will learn how a trader look at the market different and how you can take advantage on it. Okay, let's get back to the chart. By the time I look at the market, usually it's around 3 hours before London open. That means you see below around 1 p.m. in Singapore time zone. That means when I look at it, it happened at this candle. Okay, let's look at higher time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. You can see those lower high, lower low. That means it's a downtrend. So I'm looking for short from the 1-hour time frame. I will mark like my level. You see here, got a resistance here. By the time I look at the market, it's this candle already. So I'm looking to break this high. That means this candle. Okay, so let's go back to the M15. So this was the level I marked on H1. So I'm expecting to break this high. Also, as you can see, the market it's moving very chubby, like going nowhere. See, it's like this, going nowhere. So what I'm expecting is break this chubby, kill all this stop loss. Then I'm expecting to enter here. Okay, so you see the market from last night London close, so no more momentum. That's why the candle like a very small and going nowhere. Okay, let's see how it play out. Okay, so I'm expecting a trigger candle like a bearish engulfing or a big shift candle to break through this range. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is the trigger candle. Let me remove this. So this is my trigger candle. By the time I saw this candle appear, I don't set limit order. Most of my trades I don't set limit order unless the candle is like way too big, then your stop loss like too far. At that scenario, then I will set limit order in order to get in the trade. So for this one, I don't set the limit order. Let's see my entry. $1.0722. Okay, so my stop loss is above the trigger candle, 2 pips above. For this trigger candle above, it's a 1.0733. So my stop loss 2 pips above, that means 1.0735, and I will target for 1.5R, 1.0702. okay, let's see how it played. You see how beautiful the trade goes. Of course, you might say that, oh, I missed a lot of good pips in this trade. But sometimes you cannot get what you want. You understand? Sometimes if your TP it's too far, then it might move 1.5R, then bounce back, you know. So I'm happy with 1.5R for this trade. Okay. So this is the way how I look at the chart. I prefer to follow the trend, then look for the entry. It sounds my simple, just go according to the trend, then mark the support resistance, then break with trigger candle, then you get into the trade. That's not how it works. It took me many years in order to spot the good setup within a few seconds. So when I enter the trade, I prefer to set it and forget it. That means I will set my stop loss alert here, then my TP alert here. Either hit stop loss or TP, I will receive the message from my phone, because I don't want to watch the live market. It really like a psychological roller coaster, you know. I really prefer to simplify the things, you know, like don't overcomplicate a trade, and also don't overanalyze the chart, you know. Let's say for this case, it broke this level that I marked, and then appear the trigger candle that I was hoping for, then I enter the trade. I don't want to overanalyze the trade, because in forex market, the more you make it complicated, the more you are struggle, you know. That's why people always say less is more. I think that's good example to show you guys that how I look at the market different. You don't need to make it very complicated in order to make a good money. That's what I'm trying to say. Although the profit is 1,522 USD, sounds like a big number. It is a big number, but bear in mind that if I lose this trade, that means I lose 1,000 US dollar. Okay, so if I willing to risk $10, that means my profit is 15 USD. Okay. So you don't look at the P and L only. That's what I'm trying to say. You have to detach from that. Okay. This is one of the trade example that I took. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer more video like this. I will see you in the next video.